You don't need another productivity hack. You already know what to do. But for some strange reason, you still don't do it. This video will show you exactly how to fix that. No hype, no hustle talk. Just 5 powerful tools to help you focus, follow through, and finally trust yourself again, no matter how busy or unmotivated you feel. We've been sold this lie that focus comes with motivation, that you're supposed to wake up feeling inspired, organized, and driven every day. Some days you're exhausted, some days you're anxious, whereas some days you may just want quiet and stillness. And we start thinking that we are the reason why we are not focused. But what's actually broken is our expectation. You don't need to feel inspired to follow through. You just need to stop breaking your own promises. Because every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, and you don't, you're training your brain that your words don't mean much. That's not a focus problem. It's a trust problem. We treat focus as though it's some magical state that you fall into. But real focus that can survive chaos, that is a decision. Focus is integrity. It's not about doing something when it feels good. It's about doing it because you said you would, even when motivation has left the chat. It's like loyalty. It's not that you're loyal only when it's convenient. You're loyal even when things get hard. The moment you stop associating your focus with your mood, that is when your life starts to shift. So here are 5 tools that will help you stay focused when your life feels full and your energy is limited. Tool 1. The non-negotiable list. Every night, ask yourself, what are 3 things that I want to get done tomorrow? No matter what. Not 20, just 3. Because clarity creates momentum. And when you complete those 3, you're already ahead of 95% of people. Whatever extra you do, that's a bonus. Tool number 2. Mood is not equal to command rule. What does this mean? Just because you feel something doesn't mean that it's true or is worth obeying. Your mood is like the weather. It will change. It passes. But your decision, that's who you become. You don't need to be in the mood to move. You move irrespective of your mood. Tool number 3. Now this one is gold. Set a micro agreement. I'll work for 25 minutes. No phones, no checking, no excuses. Then write it down, set a timer, and get down to it. Treat it like an appointment with yourself. Because the moment you start honoring those little agreements, you start building self-trust. And trust is the basis of real focus. Tool number 4. Finish what you start muscle. Now this is something which not too many people train. Not because they are lazy, but they get overwhelmed. So start small. Break down your chores into smaller bite-sized pieces. And when you do start that, complete it all the way. If you're doing the dishes, finish all the dishes. If you're writing out an email, don't leave it in the draft. Send it out. If you're editing a video, keep doing it till you upload it. Because completion creates clarity. Half-done jobs create clutter in your head. Tool number 5. Audit the noise. Take 5 minutes at the end of the day and ask yourself, what distracted me today? Not theoretically, actually. Was it your phone, an argument, mental fatigue? Then ask, what can I do tomorrow to protect my focus? Focus is a boundary, not just a behavior. You could take a screenshot of this page to save it as a reminder when you're struggling to focus. I used to think that being focused means being on all the time. Cook fresh meals, zero junk food for my kids, clean house, laundry folded, YouTube videos uploaded on time. I did it for a while until I couldn't. I was running on fumes, losing sleep, and ironically, getting nothing really done. Because I wasn't focused. I was just busy. Now, I cook for an hour a day, whatever fits. Laundry, every alternate day. YouTube videos, whenever I can. When I'm out with the family over the weekends, I switch off. I realized I don't need to do everything. I only need to do what really matters with peace. Focus isn't about control, it's about alignment. So if you're listening to this and thinking, that's me, I know what you're saying. I'm always starting, always scattered. Then just breathe. You're not broken. You're just tired of breaking your own word. So here's your challenge. Pick one thing, just one, something that you've been avoiding. Finish it today. Doesn't matter if it's small, doesn't matter if it's messy. Just do it. And when you do, come back and comment below. I did it. That's how you begin to build a different relationship with yourself. Because focus isn't about getting more done. It's about becoming someone who you can count on. And once you do that, your life starts to move in a different rhythm. One that is honest, peaceful, and powerful. If this video resonated with you, then do like and subscribe. And if you want to build your confidence, watch this video next, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.